Y'all, so we just finished doing a mukbang. This is the aftermath. That's my baby's and this is mine. But we tore it up. It was so good. Okay, y'all, so tomorrow I'll be cleaning out my oven for the very first time. And then we're thinking about just putting foil in the bottom of the oven, because we don't like our oven to look too messy. I'm gonna just let this sit overnight and then we'll clean it in the morning. Hey y'all. I woke up in such an amazing mood. I just left the bank. Sis, let me take this off. This is what I wore. I wore my little Tupac shirt today. I wore this shirt to my son's game too, but it's clean. Take this off. Oh, this will be a cute picture. Now I'm back home. It look a little dull, but I'm back home now, and I have to clean out my oven because y'all remember last night I sprayed the oven down. Today is just gonna be the day that I'm gonna use to organize, because I have a lot of stuff that's just not in order. So I need to get that stuff done. I'm gonna try to vlog as much of it as I can. I told y'all how I'm like everywhere, and then some of it is just way too unorganized for YouTube. Like, I ain't trying to put my business out there in the street like that. Like, it's very unorganized. Y'all, this lipstick that I'm wearing, let me stand in front of this light. Can y'all see it? Y'all can see it a little bit better. This lipstick that I'm wearing is Revlon. What is this? Can y'all see it? Let me turn my thing up. Y'all can see it a little bit better right here, but it is Revlon's. Let me look. Let me go in here in my room and look. So I know I have the Anastasia Cool Brown, the NYX Honeymoon. This is the color that I'm wearing, mixed with the Anastasia. But yeah, so I need to clean my oven. I got a face full of makeup on, and I gotta clean up. You know, y'all know that's not right, and I don't feel like taking my makeup off right now. But I love my hair, I love my makeup. It look real cute, and I have to look. I like looking cute when my husband come home, so I'm gonna keep my makeup on, sis. So I'm just wearing my Tupac shirt, some black biker shorts, and my Vans. So yeah, and I had on like a little black blazer. It's really cute. I posted a picture on Instagram, so if you guys have not liked that picture already, go show that picture some love. Okay. Dude, I really need to brighten this this up a little bit, because I like to be chocolate, but sis, I want y'all to be able to see me. But I don't know where to start. I first need to find like an old towel that I could use to clean the oven out, because like I said, I sprayed it down last night. Tony said that it should come up perfect. So I hate cleaning the oven, and usually we would just try to like wipe it down every week, but I haven't been doing that. So it has like a little bit of stuff in the bottom, but it's not a big deal. But I don't like my oven to look like that, because I do a lot of cooking for YouTube, and I need my oven to look good. Okay, so I'm gonna clean out my oven. And what else are we gonna do today? I'm gonna organize some things today. I probably end up going to the Dollar Tree, because I need to get like some little containers for some of my makeup and stuff, which y'all know I don't have that much makeup, but I need to get organized. Okay, so I'm gonna clean out a closet. I cannot show y'all how this closet look right now, because it's a mess, but I'm gonna clean the closet out. It has like my candles in it, and it has like towels. It's just unorganized, so I'm gonna get that closet organized and I'll show you guys some of the stuff that's in it. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Let's go. My curls look so good. Look how good these curls look, y'all. Like, they bounce back so well when I wash them. But I think I'm gonna buy a new curly wig soon. But the curls look so good. So I have this old little, I don't know what this is, but Tony brings these home from work sometimes. So this is what I'm gonna use to clean out. Let me turn the light on. Okay. This is what I'm gonna use to clean out the oven. I'm gonna wet it. I've never done this before. Not here anyway. All right, y'all, so I was able to get it pretty clean. So I still see something back there, but I did the best I could without a Brillo pad. Let me just get that one little spot right there. But yeah, this is how it came out. So this is the spray that I used, if y'all can see it. Some spray that Tony picked up, so it got the job done. So now I'm getting ready to prep up some food to eat for lunch. It is 12:33. I still haven't had anything to eat yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and prep that up. I put some salmon in some water to let that thaw out, and then at first I wanted to do like a salmon burger. I thought that would be so good, but I don't have the little thin buns, and I don't really feel like going to Walmart, so I'll probably just do some baked salmon and some vegetables. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that prepped up. Y'all can tell when I be missing my husband. So I was saying yesterday on my MUKBANG channel that now that I work from home, I miss Tony so much. And I think it's because I'm at home and this is our space together, so I miss him like crazy. And he left his shirt up there and it just smelled like him. I love him, y'all. I love my husband so much. I just want to I'm going to put this shirt on. I'm going to put my husband's shirt on because I love him. And this just makes me feel like he's here with me. Came back home. I stopped by the Dollar Tree. I picked up 4 of these storage boxes to kind of get some of my stuff organized, and I'm thinking about maybe even doing like some little labels and stuff on the front. And then I picked up some straws. These things are super long. I never get this kind. This is my first time seeing them in the Dollar Tree, so I picked them up because I usually get my neon straws from Walmart. So pick those up. And it's getting close to that time of the month. If you guys don't already know, I'm obsessed with gummy bears. I love gummy bears. This is my favorite brand to get. And then I wanted to pick up some Swedish fish. These are the tropical Swedish fish. I've never seen these before. So they have pina colada, tropical island, beachy punch, and passion fruit. So that'll be my first time trying these. Then I had to get some mambas. These are so good. Do y'all remember eating these as a kid? My favorite ones are the pink pack. So the strawberry and the raspberry are my favorite packs. The rest, the lemon and the orange, I always toss them to the side. I picked up 3 of these little desk organizers for my tea. Because y'all know the one that I have in my drawers right now, they're a little too big. So, alright. So yes, this should be plenty of room. Oh yeah, that fits good. So I'll just transfer all my teas into these little organizers. I'll probably end up going to get more, but yeah, they fit perfect. So I like that. So I started to get some white ones, but then I was like, well, it don't really matter. So I'm gonna get this drawer organized today as well. So yeah, I'm happy they fit. Okay, so all my teas fit in the drawer perfectly. I mean, it still hit it a little bit, but it's okay. It's better than the other ones, so I'm happy with that. I'll probably end up getting some more. I'm running pretty low on my peppermint tea. This is all the peppermint tea that I have right here. These are mostly like my detox tea, like the Smooth Moves, ginger, and then this is just a regular little detox tea. This is the pomegranate, raspberry, and green tea. This one real good. This one is the sweet tangerine. I love this one. This is a Soothing Caramel Bedtime Tea. That one's pretty good. Y'all know my Miracle Tea. Peppermint tea. A couple of Smooth Moves. This is a regular detox. I didn't have any room over there. So yeah, these are just the same ones. So I have a peach detox tea too. So yeah. So now I can use these for something else. So let me start with my closet in my room. So while I was cleaning out this drawer, look what I found. This is the top to my Moschino perfume. I'm so happy I found the top. There we go. I love this. I'm gonna start with this drawer. I'm gonna put all my little pillow mist and stuff up here. And the little containers that I had my tea in, I'm gonna use to set these in. And then I'll set them in my bathroom somewhere. So we're gonna go ahead and put these pillow mist in here. I like a little mini TJ Maxx. Oh, this is Face Glow. What else? This is pillow mist. I don't know where the top is, but I'm sure I can find something to use. It's another pillow mist. And what else? This is like body oils. So coconut. This is the Detox Cellulite, which I need to put this one in the front so I can remember to use it. And what else? What is this stuff? This is another lavender and sage calming body oil. So we'll put that one up there. Coconut oil, I have 2 of those. What's this? Some overnight serum. This is actually for the face, but this is another retinol overnight serum. I probably should keep this stuff right here with the makeup. So yeah. All right, so I got that one done. Y'all look, I looked up, my pack of Mambas had 2 strawberry packs in them. 1 orange, 2 strawberries, and wait, is that strawberry or raspberry? Yes, 2 strawberries and 1 raspberry.
1 orange.
1 orange. Lucky me.